back to life.
All right, we're back with the big Chevy. Grab some new batteries for her. Gonna get these old ones out of there, clean up the ends on it, and hopefully get some power back up to the dash there. Once I see we got power, gonna make sure the gas tank is drained, grab some fresh fuel for it, and then we're gonna try and start it up, I think. I have faith in it. It's a Chevy. It usually doesn't take much to get them running. But let's see what happens. Guess first thing we'll have to get the battery tie down off. All right, we got new battery ends on, new batteries in. Just put one in for now. That should be plenty to crank this thing over. If we're not getting power still, we got an issue somewhere else, but let's take a look and see if she does crank, or at least have power up there again. I'm gonna check this gas tank quickly, see how much fuel we got in there. Dump out what's left in there, if there's any, and put some fresh fuel in it. And she might fire up today. What do you guys think? Gave the tank a shake there. I don't hear any fuel inside. Hard to tell, but I think I'm gonna risk it. May throw a little bit of seafoam in there and a jerry can of fresh fuel. I'm gonna crank it over. I'm hoping for the best, and I think it was stored dry. But we'll see what happens. All right, we're just headed off to the gas station to get some fuel for the Mega Cab. Taking our 72 GMC. It's on an 03 GMC Chevy Duramax frame. This truck runs great. It's a cool little build. I didn't build it myself. I picked it up this way, but stay tuned. We're gonna do a bunch of content with this truck as well. It does do a burnout, I think. I haven't tried yet. Probably only be a one-wheel peel. Like I said, I haven't tried it yet, but stay tuned, and we will be posting a bunch about this truck as well. Super cool truck. We also have a Cummins square body crew cab dually we're gonna be working on, and some other goodies. So please subscribe, stay tuned. We got lots more coming. Chevy trucks and more. All right, we got some fuel. Head back now, see if we can get her fired up. But what are gas prices like where you guys are at? This is per liter here in Canada. She ain't cheap. Toss a little bit of seafoam in the gas, put a jerry can in her. I think it's time. Okay, new batteries in. Confirmed we got power back up here. Put some fresh fuel in her. It seemed the tank was empty, so I'm hoping that was the case. But let's see, will she fire up? I'm gonna say it will. It's a Chevy, but let's see. Okay, we're cranking. Oh yeah. She fired. I knew it. Can't kill these old Chevys. Sounds like she's got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but she's idling okay. I'm surprised, actually. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a cam in it. It's definitely got headers under the hood, we noticed. Definitely hear an exhaust leak on this side. Come right from the headers there. But she fires up, that's an easy fix. I knew she'd run, it's a Chevy. Sounds like she goes into gear. Obviously we're not moving, our rear brakes are completely seized, so we're gonna check that out next. Get those on seize so we can get this thing driving down the road. What do you guys think? I think it sounds pretty healthy. Might be just enough to get these things spinning. Oh, she just idled down on us actually there. A little bit smoky, imagine just some shit built up in the fuel system. I can see an exhaust leak coming from the header there. Get a gasket order for that. What do you guys think? I think it has a cam in it. Well, I just fired her up again and I felt it do a little jump. Whatever was seized seems to have broken free, so I think at least it was going forward and backwards slightly. So let's see if this thing will actually move down the driveway right now. It's got to be careful. I don't think it's going into park right now, so I'm going to throw it in neutral. Oh, no, I think that was in gear still. That's neutral, okay. Looks like we're in drive. Oh yeah. She's moving. Oh, starving for fuel a little bit. Needs a good run for sure. Yeah, we're not getting very much fuel up there right now. She's backfiring. She's running, she's moving. Not doing a burnout yet. We got some issues with our fuel system. Probably needs a good tune up the engine from sitting. So we're gonna dig a little deeper into that, but I do think this big block should have enough to turn them big tires. All right, she's going forward, she's going backwards. Not running the best. We got that exhaust leak, obviously can hear it up front there. Might be causing it to run a little shitty, but obviously probably some junk in the fuel system as well. She sat for a long time, but we're moving, we're rolling. We got brakes. They feel okay. Oh, she's backfiring. There she goes. She opened up a bit. We're not getting too much here on the throttle. That's to the floor. Well, there we have it. A little bit of fresh fuel, new battery, fires right up. Can't kill an old Chevy. It's not a small block. It is a big block, but she fired right up. I thought she would. Sounds okay. A couple things to address. We got the leak at the header. Probably get her some new spark plugs and clean out the fuel system. She's been sitting for a while. It's not running terribly right now, but it's definitely lacking power, backfiring. Bonus, once I fired it up for the third time, I felt it jar a little bit. Realized it was actually in reverse. Obviously the safety neutral switch is disconnected, no big deal. But felt that and noticed the wheels broke free. So I'm not sure if it was like a transmission brake that was on. I know some of you guys commented that in the previous video. Or the rear brakes decided to just unlock at that moment. A little bit of a tune-up now. Gonna continue cleaning up the body. Maybe order a couple parts first, a couple things I noticed. There's definitely one floor pan that needs replaced. We need to do some body work there. But we're gonna buff the rest of the paint, kind of see where that stands, clean that right up, and then we'll go from there. We got some big plans for this truck. A few different options we have in mind at the moment we're deciding on, but stay tuned. I think this one's gonna be hanging around for a while. That's it for today's video, guys. Next one, we're gonna finish cleaning her up, do the interior, exterior, go over the rust, make a plan for all of that. And we're gonna go through the fuel system, give her a tune-up, fix that exhaust leak. And we're gonna get a burnout out of this thing for you guys. Cool ass truck, deserves a big ass burnout.
Trailer and a grin. One man, one phone camera, and a hunch he's gonna win. Rust on the quarter panel, mud on the front loader blade. If it's got a little life left, Brad's already on the way. Kick the dust off, check the VIN. bring it back to life.
Fuck's sakes, fucking flat tire. I don't think it's gonna reach, dude. Oh no.